So the way that we're gonna do it is by assigning a number to our values. For example, if player has chosen a rock, the rock gonna be number 1, paper gonna be number 2, scissors gonna be number 3. And if you notice, the order of the numbers are this way, that the bigger number gonna win over the lower number. So scissors can kill paper, paper can kill rock. In coding, we're gonna say after the player and computer chosen their values, just compare the selected values and the bigger number win. And of course, we're gonna check if they are equal first. So if the both were selected rock, so it's gonna be a draw and we're gonna get out of the method, or we can restart game or anything else you want. But there is a hole in this way right now. So what about when one of them select rock and one of them select scissor? So in this way we have the opposite way. So the lower number gonna win. And in order to fix this code is by adding a section that will check whenever the difference number between the values are 1. So for example, the difference number between rock and paper is 1, paper and scissors is 1. So when the difference number is 1, we're gonna say that the bigger number is going to win. But if the difference number was more than 1, like rock and scissors, the lower number gonna win. So here, this is how we can get the difference number. We say player minus computer and we get the difference number. But the problem here is that the difference number can be negative and we only want positive numbers. For example, if the player has chosen rock and the computer has selected paper, we have -1 because 1 minus 2 equals to -1. So in order to only have positive numbers, we're gonna use a function called math.abs, absolute values. Absolute values are the distance between the number and 0. For example, -3 has 3 units from 0 to -3, and 3 has 3 units from 0 to 3. So both of them are going to be positive. The absolute number can't have a result that is negative. And that way we're going to use math.abs to get the positive number out of the equation. And if this number was equal to 1, so if the difference number was equal to 1, we're gonna say the bigger number that the player or the computer has selected gonna win. But we're gonna say an else. This else is for the possibilities that the difference number is not equal to 1. So we're gonna say if it's not equal to 1, the bigger number is going to lose. That's it everyone, thank you for watching. I'm gonna do more videos like this that we go over algorithms, we go over problem solving. So make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification. Peace, bye bye.